Hello children, welcome to the 7th module. In the last module, we saw that the different nutrients and its functions. All these nutrients are obtained from food. For healthy body, it is essential to have the food containing all the essential nutrients. For example, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, dietary fibers and water are present in our food item in right quantities. Such food items called balanced diet. Basically, a single food item is not sufficient to provide all these nutrients. In order to have all the nutrients, we have to take mixture of food items. Each of these should be rich in different nutrients. Nutrition level is also different for different person. So, balanced diet is also different for different persons. Example, a construction worker should do more physical activities than a lawyer. Therefore, he needs more energy than a lawyer. So, his food include greater amount of energy giving substances such as carbohydrates and fats. Here, even the definition of balanced diet changes with our age. It is because with our age, there are so many changes are taking place in our body for doing various activities. The diet must be supported to our body to do this. So one must consume appropriate diet. So balanced diet requires diet at that age. Even at the same age, different people may not have same diet. For example, a boy's diet is something different than a girl's diet. Even a balanced diet varies from place to place and season to season. For getting balanced diet, it is not essential to get expensive materials. In fact, simple meals no, it can also do the same purpose. For example, foods like mixture of cereals, rice with bajra, jowar and ragi, sprouted seeds, banana, guava, apple, green vegetables, then fermented foods such as idli, dosha, etc. are good for maintaining good diet. We should also ensure that the food is cooked correctly because cutting off foods like vegetables and then washings may lead to loss of essential nutrients. The repeated washing of rice and pulses can also lead to the removal of nutrients. When we use excess of water during cooking may also lead to loss of nutrients from food. Next, junk food. Junk food often contain large amount of fats, but there is no or very little amount of other nutrients. In unhygienic condition, it also containing diseases causing agents. So, do you think eating junk food is right choice? No. In fact, it also causing digestive problems, obesity, and many more diseases. Improper nutrition may cause malnutrition. That is, very less amount of nutrients leads to undernutrition or undernourishment. Very high nutrients leads to overnutrition or overnourishment. Both undernutrition or overnutrition, no, which are called malnutrition. It causes abnormal development of body parts, stunted growth, and similar problems. So, having a balanced diet is not only important but also essential for everyone's body. Thank you children for watching this video.